Hello! Today I'll share with you a full hair care routine using the Guerlain Abeille Royale collection. This line is all about scalp health, hair strength, and shine. And I have been an advocate for scalp health before it was cool, before it was a trend. I have talked about it for years, so I'm so excited to share this line that focuses in on that. So the Guerlain Abeille Royale collection is powered by the Blackbee Honey Repair Technology. And I'm going to walk you through each product in the routine. I'll show you how I use them, and then I'll share my thoughts. So if you've been curious about luxury hair care that focuses on real results, especially healthier, stronger hair, I've got you covered. So let's hydrate and begin. So Guerlain sent over the Abeille Royale collection for us to try. And look at this gorgeous packaging. Exquisite! Yes! So I quickly want to share this with you. Through the power of 4 revitalizing honeys, your scalp will be strengthened, your hair revitalized, and you're going to see results of stronger, shinier, and more voluminous hair. Thank you so much, Guerlain, for sending these over. Okay, let me share each product with you, the details about them, and then we'll get to it. We'll get to trying it out and seeing what it's all about, yes? Because, you know, I like to let products speak for themselves. Packaging on everything, exquisite. Guerlain, true luxury through and through. So here is the packaging for the shampoo. This is the Abeille Royale Revitalizing and Fortifying Care Shampoo. And it's got the Blackbee Honey Repair Technology. Really, really nice packaging. So you're already getting your luxurious experience through and through. So the shampoo is your starting point in the routine. This shampoo gently cleanses while helping to fortify and revitalize the scalp and strands. This is gonna look so amazing in the shower. It's very aesthetic. It's very Guerlain. And next is the conditioner. This is the Repairing and Replumping Care Conditioner. This is rich and creamy but not heavy. It detangles while nourishing and plumping the hair fibers for a fuller, smoother look. The packaging on the conditioner is just like the shampoo. And then we have the R Radiance Repair Mask. I love a good mask. Ooh, and I'm due for one, so yes. This mask is designed to restore radiance and deeply replenish. And then we have the Guerlain Abeille Royale Scalp and Hair Youth Oil-in-Serum. So this glass packaging. This is your finishing touch. So it's an oil and serum hybrid that treats the scalp while adding shine and softness to your lengths. This is beautiful glass packaging. So I have been using the exact same hair stuff, shampoo, conditioner, mask, for years. So this is big for me. And of course, I'm very excited to share it with you. So my hair is very much due for a wash, so I'm just going to comb through, and we're going to shampoo, we're going to condition, we're going to do the mask. Now what's cool about the mask is that it's actually 2 products in here. So if you look, you see like there's a product on the outside and then there's a product on the inside here. So we have to mix these together and then leave it on for 10 minutes. Okay, cool. Ooh. So let me just detangle. I have a little bit of this in my hair to kind of help with the flyaways and such, but I'm going to just comb all of that out. And then we'll go give this a wash. So let me gather supplies: shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. We'll do this after when we come back and we're all washed and conditioned and all the things. And I'm just going to share my, regular hair care routine, and we'll see how my hair does. So let's go. Okay, first off, major props to all the creators who do shower content, because this took way more work than it looks like. I actually filmed in 2 different spots because the lighting in my bathroom was not cooperating. It was rainy, it was overcast. Okay, you get it. So thank you for bearing with me. Now on to the star, the Revitalizing and Fortifying Care Shampoo. The texture, it's really smooth. It lathers beautifully without being too overly bubbly and giving that squeaky clean feeling. I went in and I did 2 shampoos, one to lift everything and then the second one to really cleanse. And it left my scalp and my hair feeling really cleaned, not stripped at all. Just that fresh reset feeling you want, especially if you have had product buildup or it's been a few days. It rinsed out really easily and right away my hair felt super soft, not dry or tangled. Next, I'm going in with the Repairing and Replumping Care Conditioner. I focus this mainly from mid-lengths to the ends and just gently finger comb it through. I really like the texture. It's creamy, it's rich, and it doesn't really feel heavy on the hair, and it doesn't weigh it down. Now, I left this on for just a few minutes before rinsing, and my ends felt really, really smooth. So I used the Double R Radiance Repair Hair Mask, and first of all, the texture literally looks like honey, which I love. It's a dual formula, so you mix the 2 parts together before applying, which feels kind of special. I worked it through with a wide tooth comb to make sure it was evenly distributed. Now, always remember when you're working with wet hair, any kind of combing or anything, you always want to be as gentle as possible because hair is the most fragile when it's wet. So then I just let it sit for about 10 minutes. Well, actually, it ended up being a little over 20, but that's good. That's great. And the mask, it melts into the hair like a balm. It rinses out clean, and it left my hair feeling so incredibly soft, but without being weighed down. You know that feeling after you wash your hair? You just feel extra super duper squeaky clean and fluffy and nice. I got that. I'm excited to try this all-in-one serum. So I was reading because I was like, how do you use this? You can use this on wet or dry hair. And we're going to apply 1 to 2 pipettes all over the scalp section by section and then massage with fingertips. Then distribute along the lengths. Okay, let's do it. Let me pull myself together. I washed my hair with makeup. Like, who am I? I think we're looking pretty good. This is exactly what would happen when you're in the salon, you know, when you're in the bowl and they just barely get where they need to get around your hairline and make sure they get everything. But I think we held up good. Okay, let's. My hair feels so good. My hair doesn't feel stripped and dry and rough. It feels actually really soft and fluffy. I'm feeling really good about it. Okay, let's go in sections. So here's one section. So 1 to 2 pipettes for the whole head. Oh, let's see how that goes. But again, here is the gorgeous packaging. So we're going to start on the scalp and then massage to the ends, right? Massage with the fingertips, then distribute along the lengths. Let's go. Okay, so this is 1 pipette. Yeah, this smells good. They all have this soft scent, which I am so here for. I can't see, so forgive me if it's not perfect, okay? So we're gonna massage the scalp. Scalp health is vital, and this is amazing. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. All right, let me continue. I will tell you, my scalp is really clean. That shampoo definitely did a good job at giving me a nice, clean scalp. Massage, that's my favorite part. Massage that serum in your scalp. Very relaxing. Nice little moment for yourself. I milk all the moments that I can have for myself. Yes, you know this. And always, when I say fingertips, make sure it's the fingertips. Never use your nails to scratch your scalp. That's the worst thing that you could do. Ooh, feeling good. All right, we got one more spot. One more section. Spot. Monique. Look how clean my scalp is. Oh, I love it. Very happy with the shampoo and conditioner. They did a good job. Definitely. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but I took a little bit and I put it on the back on my hand and I just run this through. So I haven't put anything else in my hair other than the shampoo, the conditioner, the deep conditioner, and then this. Hair is feeling really good. It's nice and vavavoom. It feels really clean, really soft. Feels really soft, really, really soft. So I am going to put heat protector. That's it. And then we'll continue my regular hair routine stuff. And we'll talk and see how I feel about all this stuff. If you're curious, this is the heat protector I use. It's from SISLEY Hair Ritual. So I've already applied that. I'll go in with my Dyson. As I'm drying my hair, it's just gliding through so nicely and my hair feels so soft, like extra soft. The mask definitely did something. And then this serum in my scalp, it's an oil. What did it say? It said Oil-in-Serum, but it didn't feel like heavy and greasy. So yeah, okay. Hair feels so soft. Ooh, yes. I'm a natural straight. So let me do that and I will be back. Because, yeah, I've done videos sharing my silk press kind of vibe with you. So I'll spare you this time. Okay, I had to pause and show you this moment. Look how shiny. And my hair's so soft after using the full Guerlain routine. I just finished straightening it, and honestly, it feels so smooth and healthy. Before I go in with the rest of my, styling, I just wanted you to see how shiny. My ends feel sealed, my hair's got movement, and it just feels well cared for. And I love how clean my scalp feels. My hair is feeling so fluffy, so light, so shiny, so soft. And as I'm running my fingers through, I have no hair falling out. That's always a plus. These little flyaways typically go away in like a day once my natural oils come back. But yeah. And it smells so good. I haven't even put any oil. The only thing that I put in my hair outside of the Guerlain products was my heat protector. That's it. And my hair, it just feels so soft and nice. I don't even feel the need to put like an oil in it. Genuinely, I can't stop touching my hair. It's so soft. And the best part is my scalp. My scalp feels amazing, clean, refreshed, nice. Quick rundown on each product. The shampoo. The texture of this was nice and rich. Smells really good. This lathers on the scalp very nicely and it rinses away. Now, when it rinsed away, this is important. So this is how I determine if this is going to be a drying shampoo or what. And effective, of course, to clean the scalp. But once I rinsed away the shampoo, it didn't feel stripped. You know that dry, and my hair strands will stick together? I didn't get that. My hair just felt clean and it felt really, really good. So then I followed up with the conditioner. The conditioner was a rich, luxurious texture as well, and the scent matched the shampoo. This went on really nicely, very easy. It did what it needed to do. I left it. I kind of just ran my fingers through it. I left it for like a minute or two, and then I rinsed it out. And now, the deep conditioning mask, the Double R Radiance and Repair Mask. This is cool because it's 2 products in one. When you look at it, look, let me make sure you can see. Let me look at the back. All right, you can see there's this outside portion where you see the product, and then inside the center here there's more. So when you're squeezing the product out, you're getting two products that come out together, which is cool. Then I mix them together and then I put it on, and I left that on. It said you can do 10 minutes. I did a little bit more. When you can do it, okay? And once I rinsed all of that off, I was like, okay. That's when I really started to, that's when I really noticed. I was like, yep, I'm clean, and my hair just felt light and fluffy. And it wasn't all tangled and stuck together when I took my hair out of my hair towel. That's how I know products are conditioning and cleaning at the same time, is when my hair doesn't just stick and get globby all together. And it just felt really nice. It was easy to comb through, and it was just like fluffy. When my hair is fluffy, we're in good shape. Now the Scalp and Hair Oil-in-Serum, this I like. This is a cool concept because it's a scalp serum and it says there's oil in it. So I did notice that when I was blow drying my hair, it was like a little extra shiny. And I'm thinking that's from the oil, but this is definitely something I cannot wait to continue to use. And it says you can use it daily. And it did feel light enough to where you could, but I don't think I would use this daily. I'm going to start off by like twice a week, and then after I wash to see how it goes. But so far, I like this. And I'm very, very happy with my hair overall. I can't stop touching it. It feels really good. And I was really due for a wash. My hair was dirty. We were over a week. And I try my best not to do that, but it happens. And I was trying to like time it so that I could use the products and share all that with you. So my hair was like a little extra dirty. I did 2 shampoos, 1 conditioner, the hair mask for about 20 minutes, and then this, and then heat protector, and that's it. So my hair actually feels hydrated, even though I didn't put any oil in it. It's light and fluffy. I definitely see a nice shine to it as well. And we got some volume. Like, what? Who am I? These products from Guerlain definitely make the at-home hair care moment feel like a spa moment. Like you're really pampering, little TLC moment for your hair. I really enjoyed these products. They feel luxe and gentle and just a beautiful addition to my hair care routine. I am going to continue to use them, and I will share more with you as time progresses, because obviously this was the first time, but so far so good. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Thank you to Guerlain for sending these products over. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you soon. Bye. Can't stop touching my hair.